Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 11 and 12 of your English grammar book. And the name of the topic is Tenses, talking about the future, first part and second part. In first part, chapter 11 is given, and in second part chapter 12 is given. So I will teach you both the chapters. Dear students, there are different ways of talking about the future. There are many ways of talking about the future. They are the present continuous tense, the simple present tense, will, going to, the future continuous tense, and the future perfect tense. Means we have six different ways of talking about the future. The first one is present continuous tense, second one is simple present tense, third one is will, fourth one is going to, fifth one is future continuous tense, and sixth one is future perfect tense. Okay, so let's start the rule with point wise. Just see and listen to me very carefully. See the first rule: the present continuous tense is used for things that people have arranged to do in the future. Whatever we have arranged to do in the future, for such type of events we use present continuous tense. We use this tense for future with verbs of coming and going. For example, my father is coming this evening. He is going home at the weekend. Means it is the planning of the subject that he would go his home at the weekend. Okay, so he has arranged to go to his home at the weekend. That's why here we have used present continuous tense. Okay, now see the second part. The simple present tense is used for official programs and timetables, but we use the present continuous tense for our personal arrangements. When there will be any official program or any timetable, then in the reference of official programs and timetable we use simple present tense. But if in the reference of our personal arrangement we use the present continuous tense. Means for official programs and timetable we use the simple present tense, and for our personal arrangement we use present continuous tense. See the example: the train leaves at 8:20. What is this? This is the official timetable. Okay, we can take another example: the office opens at 10 o'clock. What is this? This is the official timetable, official program. Second one: I am visiting the Taj tomorrow. Here I have used the simple present tense because it is the official timetable, but in second example I have used the present continuous tense because it is the personal arrangement of somebody. It is not any official program or timetable. It has been arranged by someone personally. That's why here I have used present continuous tense. Okay, now see the third point. Will is used to talk about things which we cannot control, or it is used to express predictions. For example, When we use will, it is used to talk about the things which we are unable to control, or to express prediction we use will. For example, I will be 20 tomorrow. I will be 20 tomorrow. Means tomorrow the subject I will be 20, and it is the out of control of anybody. Okay? To express prediction, I think it will rain today. It is the prediction of somebody, that's why will is used in such conditions. Now see the second use of will. Will is used with I am sure, I think, I expect and probably. Means whenever these words will be given, I am sure, I think, I expect and probably, then we use will. For example, I am sure India will win the match. I am sure, here it is given. Then if I am sure, I think, I expect and probably will be given, then will would be used with subject. I think it will rain today. I am sure, I think. Here these words are given, that's why will is compulsory in such type of sentences. Now see the third use of will. Will is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. When we decide to do something at the time of speaking, means the thing which is not decided earlier. At the time of speaking, whatever we decide to do, in such condition we use will. See the example. The principal is very busy at the moment. I will wait now. Means someone has gone to visit, someone has gone to meet the principal, but the principal is very busy. So at the time he has decided to wait, in such condition will would be used. The principal is very busy at the moment. I will wait now. Now see the fourth point. The going to form is used to talk about things which we have already decided to do. Whatever we have decided to do, whatever we have planned to do, we use going to plus first form of the verb. See the example. I am going to read this novel. I bought it yesterday for reading. Means yesterday I bought the book for reading. I have arranged that I will purchase the book and after that I will read. So here I have used going to. Okay. Now see the another use of going to. The going to form is used when we can see a future action coming because of the present situation. Going to form is used when we can see a future action coming because of the present situation. See the example you will get. It is very cold. Oh, I am going to sneeze. The present situation is what? It is very cold. So what will be the future action? Going to sneeze. Because of cold, I am going to sneeze. Okay. The boat is full of water. The present situation is what? The boat is full of water. That's why what is the future action? It is going to sink. So when there will be a future action that is because of the present situation, in such condition we use going to plus first form of the verb. Okay. Now chapter 11 is completed. Now see the chapter 12. The topic is same, part second. Means whatever I have told in the beginning of chapter 11, means there are 6 ways of talking about future. So last 2 parts has been given. Last 2 parts have been given here. See the first one. The future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be going on for some time in the future. the things which will be going on for some time in the future. In such condition, we use future continuous tense, means will be plus ing form of the verb, shall be plus ing form of the verb. See the example, we will be waiting for you when you arrive at the station. We will be waiting for you means the action of waiting that is continued for some time in future when somebody arrive at the station. Now this tense means future continuous tense, is also used for future actions which are fixed or expected to happen in the normal course of things. Means future continuous tense is used for the fixed actions or the actions which are expected to happen in the normal course of things. For example, the chief minister will be arriving in 20 minutes. Means the arrival of the chief minister is fixed and he will be arriving there within 20 minutes. So in this condition also we use future continuous tense. Now see the second point, the future perfect tense, the last point of talking about the future. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed at a future time. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed at a future time. For example, I will have finished my homework by this time tomorrow. Means in future the action will be completed. He will have reached there by this time tomorrow. Future perfect will have or shall have plus third form of the verb. He will have reached there by this time tomorrow. Okay, so these are the rules, these are the different ways of talking about the future. I'm again repeating, there are 6 ways. 4 ways I have taught in chapter 11 and 2 ways in chapter 12. The first one is present continuous, second one simple present, third will, fourth going to, fifth future continuous, and last the future perfect. Dear students, write all these points in your notebook with examples whatever I have written on the board, and after that you have to do the exercise of both the chapters. Okay, that's all for today, and we will meet again in next term. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.